guys, I'm James, and welcome to the first episode of the Speed Freaks Builder Series. Speed Freaks is a new series powered by Dime City Cycles that highlights the everyday enthusiasts who keep the passion of vintage motorcycles alive and revving. So sure, Dime City has a small population, but it's not just us making a ruckus in the shed, which is why this series will focus on the community at large. For our first installment of the series, we invited Antony, a real DIY builder from For the Bold Industries, all the way from Wales in the UK, here to the DCC garage. He'll lead the build process on a CX500 tracker, a bike that you guys helped choose, in just a 2-week time window. Then, we'll be giving this bike away at the 2019 Vintage Festival at Barber, which is easily the largest event here in the British West Indies, aka USA!
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do it in the 2 weeks.
No, 2 weeks isn't going to be good?
No, let's scrap it, let's...
All right. Well, I mean, all of this is all to raise money for the Prostate Cancer Foundation. So, this series will be split into 2 parts. The main build process will be shown episode by episode on Antony's YouTube channel, For the Bold, which you can find in the description below. Here on the Dime City YouTube channel, we'll be showing all the juicy behind-the-scenes content. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button on our channel, and then do the same over at For the Bold. And while you're at it, ring that bell to be the first to know when a new episode drops. Now, let's get after it. Antony, welcome to the USA, man.
Thank you very much, mate. That's so British then. Thank you very much, mate. I've never called anyone mate before. All right, mate. All right, Governor.
I don't mind being mate. You know, we do a lot of business with the UK and Australia, so I'm used to it. Looks like this CX500 build is going to be pretty rough, but we have full confidence that you'll be able to get it done.
Yeah.
With that said, 2 weeks?
2 weeks, yeah, go on, 2 weeks.
All
2
right.
weeks on 5.
So we're looking at 10 days to get this thing finished.
10 days? I thought 2 weeks had 14 days in it.
You know, although we have full confidence, we definitely want your guys' help with this build. So please visit dimecitycycles.com/DimeCityCyclesX for the Bold. Again, that's dimecitycycles.com/DimeCityCyclesX for the Bold. There, we'll continue adding content, updates, including info you need to be a part of the team, playlists of the episodes, concept drawings, Prostate Cancer Foundation information, and more. So definitely keep checking back as we have lots of great content to come. And if you're lucky enough to be in the sunny Tampa area on Wednesday, May 8th, you're cordially invited here to the DCC garage for a meet and greet with Antony himself. We'll be live streaming at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel, so try to get here a little early. You can find our exact address at dimecitycycles.com. So during the live stream, we'll be answering audience questions, so be sure to join. We'd love to hear from you. And if it's just not in the cards to make it to the shop or join the live stream, but you still have some questions you need answered, drop them in the comments and we'll do our best to get them into the live stream so you can check it out later. So thanks for joining us. Be sure to tune in for the next week's latest episode of Speed Freaks Actions. Antony, thanks again, man.
Cheers, mate. That was Australian then.
scrunch your way down here to comment, like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell to get all the latest DCC YouTube content. And while you're at it, take a tour of these old videos to see what you missed. Also, be sure to visit DimeCityCycles.com, and thanks for watching.